Hello again. This is another angle, just in case you have an opening instead of a piece of glass that you're working on. If you have an opening, you will not have this, but you will have that line right there, and you will have this end point and this end point. If you have this, it's borderline easier because you don't have to move glass around or lift it or anything like that. Whatever. So it's the same deal. You just get your thickness. You can draw a line right like that. Hopefully Rudy's not mad that I just drew a line all over his beautiful, expensive thing. Should be fine. By the way, rubbing alcohol gets Sharpie off of stuff. Very helpful. Right on. This is a 2D pattern. Hook us up on the bent team. Let's do it.